Welcome, English learners, to another exciting episode of Easy English Sip. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. In our last lesson, we mastered the essentials of a basic job interview. Now, get ready to tackle the ultimate conversation starter as we help you unlock your confident voice in English.
Have you ever found yourself in an awkward silence with an English speaker, maybe in an elevator or waiting in line, and you just don't know what to say? Or maybe someone says, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" and all you can think to say is, "Yes."
We've all been there. That's a classic mute English moment. But here's the secret. The easiest, safest, and most common way to start or continue a conversation in English is by talking about the weather. It's the universal icebreaker.
Imagine confidently starting a chat by saying, "It looks like it's going to rain," or smoothly responding with, "Yes, but the forecast for tomorrow is much better." This isn't just about the weather, it's about connection. Today, in just a few minutes, we'll give you the essential English to do exactly that.
All right, let's get straight to the essentials. To talk about the weather, you need some basic words. For the sky, we have sunny, cloudy, and rainy. And for how it feels, we have windy and snowy.
And of course, temperature is key. We use words like hot, warm, cool, and cold. If it's very cold, you can say it's freezing. And a useful word for a nice cool is chilly.
Now, how do we use these in a sentence? The simplest and most common structure is it is or it's. It's super easy. You can say, "It's sunny and warm today." "It was so cold and windy yesterday."
Exactly. But what about the future? For that, we use the word forecast, which means the prediction for the weather, and our good friend be going to. The structure is, it's going to be.
Right. So you can look at your phone and say, "The forecast says it's going to be rainy tomorrow." Or ask a question. "Is it going to be hot this weekend?" With it's and it's going to be, you can talk about the weather in almost any situation.
Okay, Ben, let's put it all into one natural conversation. Imagine we're friends trying to make plans for the weekend and the weather plays a big part. Let's see how it goes.
Sounds like a plan. I'll start us off. Hey Anna, what a beautiful day. It's so sunny and warm outside.
I know, right? It feels amazing. It makes me want to do something outdoors this weekend. What are your plans?
I was thinking the same thing. How about we go for a hike on Saturday? It should be perfect weather.
Oh, that's a great idea. But have you checked the forecast? I heard it might change.
Oh, you're right. Let me check my phone. Oh no, the forecast says it's going to be rainy all day Saturday, and windy too.
Oh, that's a shame. So much for our hike. And what about Sunday? Is it any better?
It says it will be cloudy but not rainy on Sunday. But the temperature is dropping. It's going to be pretty chilly.
Chilly and cloudy doesn't sound great for a long hike. Well, how about we watch that new movie at my place on Saturday instead? We can stay warm and dry.
That's a fantastic alternative. Let's do that. Movie day it is.
And just like that, a new plan is made. That was a great example of how weather conversations happen in real life. Now let's quickly add a few more tools to your toolkit.
Absolutely. Let's start with our bonus round for more descriptive weather words. Instead of just light rain, you can say it's drizzling, which means a very fine light rain. If there's a pleasant, gentle wind, you can say it's breezy. And when the air feels thick and wet, especially in summer, it's often humid.
Also, if the sky looks very dark and stormy, we say it's gloomy or overcast.
Excellent additions. Those really paint a clearer picture. Now for our special segment, Fluent Phrases from the Hosts. Ben, what's a fun, vivid way to describe really heavy rain that people might hear?
Anna, you've hit on a classic. When it's raining extremely hard, we often say, it's raining cats and dogs. It's an old idiom, very common. It means it's pouring down. No actual animals falling from the sky, of course, just a very strong, heavy rain.
That's such a great one to know. It definitely adds personality to your English. And another fluent phrase for changing weather is, the weather is clearing up. This means the clouds are going away and it's getting sunnier. Or if a storm is coming, you might hear, it's starting to look gloomy. These phrases are perfect for describing transitions.
Fantastic additions, Anna. Knowing how to describe changing weather is super useful. And for our final cultural tip, in many English-speaking cultures, especially in places like the UK, talking about the weather is the #1 safe topic for starting a conversation with anyone, from a stranger to your boss. It's a quick, friendly way to connect without getting too personal. It's almost an unwritten rule of polite small talk.
And that wraps up our quick guide to talking about the weather in English. We hope you feel ready to start your own conversations, no matter what the forecast says.
We absolutely do. Before you go, let's quickly recap the most important things we learned today. Mastering these will truly unlock your confident voice in everyday conversations.
First, remember our basic weather words like sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, and our helpful chilly for a cool day. These are your building blocks.
Then, for core sentences, always use it's to describe the current weather, like it's sunny and warm today. And for predictions, use the forecast and it's going to be, such as the forecast says it's going to be rainy tomorrow. These two sentence patterns are incredibly versatile.
Don't forget those advanced descriptive words from our bonus round. Drizzling for light rain, breezy for a gentle wind, and humid for sticky, wet air. And if the sky looks dark and sad, you can say it's gloomy.
And for truly fluent English, practice our special phrases. When plans get ruined by weather, you can smoothly say, "Oh, that's a shame." For heavy rain, surprise people with, "It's raining cats and dogs." And to talk about weather changes, "The weather is clearing up," or "It's starting to look gloomy." These make you sound like a native speaker.
Finally, remember our cultural tip. Talking about the weather is your perfect go-to for small talk. It's a friendly way to connect with anyone, anywhere.
Now it's your turn. The best way to learn is to practice. Tell us in the comments, what's the weather like where you are today? Try to use one of the sentences or descriptive words we learned, or even describe how the weather is changing. We'd love to read your comments.
If this lesson was helpful, please give this video a like. It helps our community grow and reach more learners. And for more interactive language lessons designed to help you speak with confidence, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Easy English Sip.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next conversation. Stay dry or enjoy the sun, wherever you are.